Welcome to Vikram Aditya Publishers channel. Hi, today we discuss about top countries for student visas, requirements and benefits. Hi, today we discuss about when considering studying abroad, selecting a country involves evaluating the visa requirements, the benefits of studying there, and how well the destination aligns with your academic and career goals. Here's a breakdown of some of the top countries for student visas. 1. United States. Visa type, F1 student visa. Requirements: acceptance from a U.S. school certified by the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, SEVP. Proof of sufficient funds to cover tuition and living expenses. Demonstration of strong ties to your home country to ensure intent to return after studies. Benefits: access to world-renowned universities and a diverse range of programs. Opportunities for internships and optional practical training, OPT, allowing work experience in the US for up to 3 years post-graduation in STEM fields. Rich cultural and academic experience. 2. United Kingdom. Visa type, Tier 4, General, Student Visa, now called the Student Visa. Requirements: confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, from a licensed UK educational institution. Proof of financial ability to support yourself during your studies. English language proficiency, typically proven by IELTS or equivalent tests. Benefits: high-quality education with institutions like Oxford, Cambridge, and Imperial College London. Post-study work visa allows graduates to stay and work in the UK for up to 2 years, 3 years for PhD students. Diverse student environment and historical, cultural richness. 3. Canada. Visa type, study permit. Requirements: letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution, DLI. Proof of financial support, including tuition, living expenses, and return transportation. Medical exam and police certificates may be required. 4. Australia. Visa type, student visa, subclass 500. Requirements: confirmation of enrollment, COE, from an Australian educational institution. Proof of financial ability to cover tuition, living expenses, and return airfare. English proficiency demonstrated through tests like IELTS. Overseas student health cover, OSHC, insurance. Benefits: high-quality education system with a strong emphasis on research. Post-study work rights for up to 4 years depending on the level of qualification. A vibrant multicultural environment with outdoor lifestyle options. 5. Germany. Visa type, student visa or student applicant visa. Requirements: acceptance letter from a German university. Proof of financial resources, often through a blocked account, approximately €11,208 per year. Health insurance coverage. Benefits: no tuition fees at public universities for international students, except for administrative fees. Opportunities to work part-time while studying. High-quality education, particularly strong in engineering, sciences, and humanities. Conclusion: when selecting a country for your studies, consider the visa requirements, post-study opportunities, cost of living, and the overall benefits offered by the country. Each country offers unique advantages depending on your academic goals and career aspirations. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.